So in this video we're going to look at the reactions of metal carbonates with acid. So in my boiling tube here I've got calcium carbonate. I'm going to add 2 molar hydrochloric acid to it. In my second boiling tube I have got lime water, and this is so we can test for the products. So as you can see, we are getting good bubbles produced, which is the gas coming through. We're bubbling it through the lime water, and if you remember correctly, lime water is the test for carbon dioxide, and what we should see is the lime water turn a milky colour. So as you can see, that's turned milky after the production of the carbon dioxide. And now we're going to repeat the experiment using copper carbonate. So you can see copper carbonate is a green powder, and I place the hydrochloric acid in. And again, in this boiling tube here, I've got the lime water, and as you can see, it's bubbling. As you can see, it's bubbling less than it did with the calcium. And once again, the lime water has turned cloudy, proving that carbon dioxide is produced. We're now going to look at the reactions of metals with acid. So I have got magnesium, zinc, iron and copper. Now in the zinc I have placed a little bit of copper sulfate at the bottom, and this is because the zinc tends to get a coating and this removes the coating. So this is one of the experiments that you can do to determine reactivity. And you can already see that the magnesium has reacted quite violently, producing a lot of gas. The zinc is reacting and bubbling and producing the gas. The iron is not producing a lot of gas and is very slow to react. And the copper, you can't actually see any gas being produced. Now, the gas that is being produced is hydrogen, and we test for that using the flame test. And there you can see you get the squeaky pop sound when you put a lit splint in. Please remember when you are asked that in the test that you must make sure that you say you use a lit splint and you get a squeaky pop sound, not just squeaky pop.